The ZEROXCLub 4 solar backup camera system combines a 7-inch high-definition monitor with multiple magnetic cameras, giving large vehicles a clear and flexible rear-view setup. Each camera attaches with a strong magnet to metal surfaces, so installation takes only a few minutes and does not require drilling or running long cables through the vehicle. The high-definition 1080p display and built-in video recorder allow you to monitor up to 4 camera angles at once and automatically save driving footage without managing memory cards manually. A generous solar-assisted battery inside each camera keeps the system running for extended periods, and you can still top it up with a universal serial bus Type-C cable when sunlight is limited. Power-saving design lets the cameras wake and sleep with the monitor, which avoids unnecessary battery drain and makes the system feel almost like an integrated factory option. Wireless transmission remains stable and responsive even at highway speeds, making this setup especially useful for long trailers, recreational vehicles, and trucks that need reliable rear visibility.